Oh my god, I'm in love already of these things that I bought last night. It's so cute. Trinay ko ngayon yung foundation na nabili ko nga nung yung recent vlog ko yung nabili kong foundation ng Black Friday. Trinay ko yung 4-in-1 selfie. Ang ganda ng coverage, guys. Oh. So, i-review natin yan next time. Not sure when, but ang ganda ng coverage ng foundation. So, gandang foundation siya. I'm excited. So, re-review ko sa inyo to, guys. Pag meron na akong time para ma-review natin ng maayos yung foundation. Ganda. Gandang foundation. So, hello! Good afternoon. So, this is gonna be a quick vlog again. So, last night I bought, let's consider it like a Christmas decoration also. So, before I go home last night from work, so I decided to grab this beautiful plants that I bought last night. It is so beautiful and I'm in love already with this plant. So beautiful. Probably I'm gonna watch videos how to take care of it because I don't know how to take care of it. So I'm gonna watch videos how to take care of my plants, and hopefully I'm gonna make it stay alive because I'm excited if like I make it still alive, if I'm gonna make it still like growing alive, this plant make it like bigger and bigger. So I'm excited with that. Hopefully it's not gonna die. So guys, this is how it's look like. I don't know how to read the name. Poinsettia Plants. Correct me if I say if I read it correct. So this is how it's look like. So cute. So I got the medium size. It is $7.92 for this beautiful plants. By the way, guys, this is a real plant, so I'm excited. Hopefully I'm gonna make it stay alive and grow like bigger and bigger and bigger. So this is how it look like. It's so cute. So this is, I like the color of the flowers, and the leaves is so green. So yeah, this is how it look like, my new baby plants. I called it baby plants. So this is so cute. So I'm gonna set it. So I'm just gonna leave it like size of my besides of my Christmas tree. So I just put water already this morning, just a little bit because it's look like dry already. So I just put just a little bit of water of it. So yeah, it is nice plants and I love it already. So cute. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.